You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this curry dish, chickpea curry dish. If you want to learn more names from Indian cuisine, more recipes, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. The local pronunciation in India, Chana Masala. Chana Masala. It's easy once you know Chana Masala. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.